Welcome back, my beautiful friends. Thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'll be cleaning our pantry and also be organizing our fridge and also be cleaning too. So I'm trying to be fast and before my daughter wakes up from sleep. You guys know she always around whenever I'm cleaning. She's not a deep sleeper, so I'm trying to be fast before she wake up from her sleep. She's taking a nap. So first of all, I'll be cleaning this pantry first so that once she wakes up, it's gonna be easy on me. So I'm not gonna find it difficult cleaning the fridge, so I prefer to start cleaning the pantry first before she wakes up. Please, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get right into the video. Hello there, if this is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome. I'm glad to have you here. My name is Jennifer. I'm a mom, a wife, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I do cleaning video, organizing, mom lifestyle, and any other thing. Please, I would like you to be part of my YouTube family if you like this kind of content. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are always awesome. Thank you so much. I don't know how to thank you all. You guys, I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to say it, but I always appreciate each time you guys always come around to watch my video and also comment. God bless you all. So cleaning this pantry, I have to start by cleaning the shelf from the inside to the outside. Once I'm done cleaning, I also have to check some of the spices we have. A lot of them have expired for a long time, so I'll be trashing most of them and also be checking to refill some of the empty container we have. There is no food on it, so I have to restock them and also be cleaning under the shelf. There are some food crumbs, so all these things you see me taking out are all expired. I'm not surprised because my husband, oh my god, he's addicted to shopping. So most time he buy a lot of things we don't even end up using. So most of these things we have not even used them, and sometimes I feel so bad, but what would I do? He likes to shop, so I don't know what to do, so I have to let him do whatever he feel like doing. Even when I tell him not to buy, he will still go back to market and shop. He loves shopping. So as you can see, these are the expired ones and these are the ones I have after everything.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. The night away, I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right.
So my baby, she brought her toy so I can dance with her. I don't know, my kids love to dance, my son love to dance, so my daughter also love to dance. Even me, I love to dance. Maybe they inherit that from me. So she wants us to start dancing. So for me to, play along with her so she doesn't disturb me, I have to dance for a little time while I continue doing what I'm doing.
Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now.
So as you can see, this is how my pantry turned out, and I love how satisfying everything turned out. If you have not seen my video, I did this pantry last year, and if you want to know where I got most of the food container, I got them from Costco, but Amazon still have them. I still have the link in my description box if you are interested to know where I got most of those things. So everything is well clean and organized. I don't have much clustered things, so neat, so happy, it's so clean. So I'm moving over to my fridge to start cleaning the fridge. So when it comes to clean off my fridge, I like to remove the shelf. That makes me so satisfied, except maybe I want to do like a daily cleaning, but each time I want to deep clean my fridge, I like taking everything out. In that way, I feel so satisfied when I'm done cleaning my fridge. So I'm taking everything, the shelf out, to enable me to be able to see through and clean properly. I have a deep clean deep clean fridge. So cleaning this fridge, I'll be using two products, which is vinegar and all-purpose cleaner. So first of all, I'll use the all-purpose cleaner to clean first. Once I'm done, I'll be using the vinegar. You guys know I love vinegar. I love it because of the importance of it. It helps to disinfect and absorb any bad odor. So I like using it most of my cleaning.
That I said all these things, but now when you're with her.
Imagine what just happened. I was busy cleaning the fridge and my daughter just pushed down my ring light and it fell off. This is one of the challenges I experience whenever I'm doing my cleaning.
A clue on the edge, cleaning out. With us, it's all or nothing.
So moving over to the other side of the fridge, I'll also be checking to know if there are some food that need to be disposed. I know I still have some that I need to dispose. So I'll check them and trash the expired ones.
You just leave. With us, it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us, it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
everything, the plastic bin and the shelf, back to the fridge. So I'll also be putting my tissue towel. This tissue towel helps to absorb any moisture, get it into the plastic bin. Like for instance, if I put something like tomatoes, onion, the moisture from the tomatoes is not gonna get into the basket bin. And also I'll also put baking soda in my fridge. Baking soda helps to absorb any bad odor, so I hardly don't have bad odor coming from my fridge. So as you can see, these are everything I got from my pantry and my fridge. So they are lots. I'm surprised that I have this kind of expired food in the house. So I'm gonna trash them. I hope my husband can see this, because even if I show it to him, it doesn't prevent him not to go buying again. So there is no of me showing it to him. He's addicted to that. So these are everything I got expired food. That is it.
That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds.
Okay, my beautiful friends, that will be all for today's video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, like and comment. Stay safe and see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.